Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. We are live. We are live. How we doing? How we doing? Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. We are ready to rumble. Good morning, Best Guest Trading, Timbo, Avalon, Jack Wiley, good morning, R5 Studios, Black Coffee, good morning, Harry W, Traitorous Chick, good morning, good to see you, Movie Spot, good morning, Gutenberg, Jake Dell, good morning, how we doing, fellas? Realized. Huh. Oh, man. All right. Gotta make sure I'm ready here. Market, not that great of an overnight session. I did not trade much. Did not trade much in the overnight session. I traded mostly this morning. That's it. Um, yeah, we did make new all-time highs though. I think that was, yeah, we did. We did make new all-time highs in the overnight session, all the way up here at the 440s. So be interesting to see how we open up this morning. What's gonna happen here? We did pass. We did pass our trade day accounts. Let's go. So Monday morning we should have some funded trade day accounts. I'm not going to get too excited for now. Also, still have not been approved on the 20,000 payout with Apex. Still patiently waiting. All right, market is open for business. Here we go. A little bit of a rip lower. Let's see what happens. I am we're opening up very close to the bottom of the overnight. Yeah, here's new lows. And I don't like trading this early, but might take a stab here off of these lows. Oof. That was a quick scalp. Oh man, it's so hard to hold. I wish I would have had. I only had one mini on that, so. Oof. Getting a bounce off of that 340 or 345. Yep, there she goes. 370s, trying to push through the 370s. Up, rejected. Rejected. Back down. Oh man, do I want to try it again? This trading the open is a different beast. Gotta be committed. Cannot be hesitant when trading the open. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. Micro Player, good morning. Amakre, Peter Shap, good morning. Blurry Face, Mosh 1083. Christ is my shepherd, good morning. Bless you, man. Grant Thompson, Jamco, Will Grimmer, Daniel Rosenstein, Jake Dell, Gutenberg, Movie Spot. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Do you have any updates regarding Apex restriction on buying evals? I'm still unable to purchase them, even though I sent all the emails they requested. Yeah, Mockery, I'm really sorry. I really am. I wish I've been trying. I've been trying to get more clarity on it, and I've been pushing them that they are not responding to those tickets. They claim that they are working through the tickets and responding. So I guess it just takes a while, but unfortunately right now, there's not much I can do. It basically was told to you got to just be patient and wait. Unfortunately, and that's I know that's not what you want to hear when the 90% sale is going on. It's like a slap in the face. All right, this is starting to look interesting for a long, but just don't like I don't like going long up here at the top of the channels. I just don't like it. Hey, good morning, Matthew. If I go back to Take Profit Trader, I'll just trade them separately, but with those, yeah. Matthew, Bruce Lee, Larry Hudo, Clyde, good morning, Clyde. Darren Cost, good morning. Scratch Your Itch Trading, Crypto Calls, MM Cole, LJ, Mark Brandt, Dantaloy Dan, Dabda, good morning. How we doing, fellas? Let's have a nice green day. Let's have a stress-free, nice green day. I'm very happy that these trade day accounts are passed. I was a little bit in drawdown on them, so I was definitely getting, I had to sweat a little bit to pass those accounts. It definitely wasn't easy. Have I tried Elite Trader funding? I have not. I mean, I did notice that they have been trying to kind of make a comeback. I never recommended Elite Trader funding. They've done some pretty sketchy things in the past. I know a couple people that literally had profit and big profit accounts just deleted. Now it seems like they are trying to make a change, so I don't know. Maybe I will in the future, but for now, I'm good. I'm not really I don't really have to look for other accounts either, or got enough on my plate. Make me feel better. How much drawdown on trade day were you? Do we need to talk about it, Carolina? Actually, it wasn't terrible, but I was like $380 in drawdown on that trade day account. So yeah, it was starting to become a problem. It was starting to become a problem. I was starting to get really, really nervous. But we got through it. We passed, and that's all that matters. But I was definitely starting to pucker up. Things were starting to get pretty tense. Yeah, MM Cole, I do have to be careful of that. That makes me feel better, Carolina. Hey, I'm here to help, Carolina. I'm here to help however I can. Jim O, good morning. So they have 100% split. I see, Diego. I mean, I don't know. I know Alpine uses Elite Trader funding. He's been telling me about it, so maybe I will at some point. Maybe I will. Pucker up, Buttercup. That's right, John. Good morning, John. Good to see you. And a pullback. Yep, that was a little bit of a fake breakout. I'm just not interested in trying to buy these breakouts for now. We're going to wait, see how this reacts. If we make new lows here, man, if we make new lows here, we got to be very careful. One thing I have noticed recently, I'm trying to like, so I'm still maintaining, we only go long, okay? That is the new rule. We only go long, man. And one thing I've noticed is with that mentality is it's okay to have that only go long, but don't chase breakouts. Just wait for pullbacks or wait for dip buys. The chance and the probabilities are just so much higher when you just have to be patient. All right, now I might take a stab right here. I don't want to see this just make too crazy. I want to see how this holds. I don't know, man. This might, yeah. See, now we're down. Now we're not interested. We are not interested. At some point, we're gonna get a nice bounce here, but on the 30-minute chart, the 320s are definitely an area of interest. 320s. So we will wait. Let's see if we can get a move down to the 320s. Yeah, we're getting a nice bounce off the 330s now. Wow, what a nice bounce off the 330s. Just did not get all the way down to the 320s. Oh, that sucks. We could try to still take a long here. All right, we're going to take a shot here. See. It's going to be just a dip. Do we get a bounce here? Come on, just rip it. I don't like that. Come on, market. Starting to not like this. I'm out. I'm going to get out. Thing could just be another stair stepping it way down. Just wait. Kind of want to still wait for that 320. 320s to the 300s, like somewhere in here. This could just stair step its way down. Now it's going to go. Whatever. Oh, Hey, Vincent Nanella, Trading Ever After, Mr. Pushup, good morning. TB, good morning. Peter and Kath, Peter Petroff, good morning. Matty Matt, good morning, Matty Matt. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not what I wanted to hear. Banter Online, Snowman, good morning. I'm down bad. What happened, Matty Matt? Hey, Kiss Me I Cooked in the building. Good to see you, Kiss Me I Cooked. Good morning. Max 90, Classic Man 2020. Good morning. Man, well, right now we're just kind of stuck here. Stuck. Does look like we're going to go back up, but now can we keep going through the 365s? If I was looking for a short, if I was, which I'm not, right here would be the place I would short. Right here, the 365s. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. Rippin' and dippin', good morning. Kingdom Trader, good morning. Kingdom Trader, good morning. Welcome. Naruto, good morning. Classic Man 2020, good morning. All right, we had a little bit of a dip back down to the 355s, but this is looking very bullish now. Back above the 365s and ripping. You ripping, boys. Interesting. Man, I had a good entry right here. I really did have a good entry here. Just I got scared a little bit too soon. One thing I started, if I trade the open, I really just go off of what I'm currently seeing. And I'm okay with taking small losses. If I start seeing something I don't like, I just get out. Once the open, like after 10 o'clock, then I'm more committed to a little more committed to my entries and holding through, or not moving my stop, so to speak. Let's see, can we get above the 375s? We have not gotten above the VWAP since all the way back here at midnight. So it's been a while since we've gotten above the VWAP. Oh no, Matty Matt, you decided to trade minis? Man, I'm sorry, Matty Matt. That sucks. Isn't that always how it happens when you size up? I don't think I've ever sized up where it immediately worked out in my favor. Every time you size up, it's like the market punishes you. Dantiloid Dan. Bless you, Kingdom Trader. I'm doing renovations in one of my family apartments. Nothing I will get paid for. Nice. Sounds like fun, Peter. All right, come on, market. I want to. Technically, I still kind of want this market to test the 320s, but we might not do it. Doesn't look like we're going to get that again. So let's see what happens here. The 375s. Here we go. We just touched the VWAP for the first time in a long time. Let's see if we can get through it. All right, 15-minute range is in. Hey, Red Poker, let's go. Just traded 5 NBT Apex 25K accounts. Let's go, Red Poker. Appreciate the support. Of course, if you haven't seen, if you've been living under a rock, Apex is running a 90% sale from now until Tuesday. So, if you're not eval banned, which it seems like a lot of people are, unfortunately, my condolences. And you've been wanting to get back or stock up on Apex accounts, this is definitely the time to do it. Nutty will make 20K today. I hope. I wouldn't complain. Got some Apex. You got some NBT. Let's go, Will Grimmer. I appreciate it. I just realized I'm living under a rock. Okay. Well, now you know. Kiss me, I cooked. Rip. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Why are they banning people? I wish I knew. I mean, I could tell you the I mean, I don't know. I supposedly some are being evaluated for a live account. Supposedly some are supposedly doing stuff they shouldn't be doing. Supposedly, who knows? My first Apex purchase was over a year ago through someone else's account. Oh, through someone else's code? Okay. Will you get credit for that? If you use my code, then I will get credit for it. Yes. Oh, really, Peter Petrov? Yeah, I'm sorry, man. They still got you eval banned as well, Matthew. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I mean, I've been trying to tell them that I keep trying to tell Apex that, hey, I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people banned that should not be banned. Something is wrong in their system in how things get flagged. But basically, I get told then like, oh, well, if that's the case, just have them submit a ticket. They'll review it. And if that's the case, they'll unban. Well, I mean, I have seen a couple people get unbanned, but I mean, a lot of people are waiting 2 weeks, 3 weeks for someone to reply. So I don't know what to say. All right, market back up through the 390s here. Okay, here we go. Now I kind of just, if we get a pullback back into this 380s, might be worth giving it a stab long. We're above the VWAP now. We're above the 15-minute opening range. I love a pullback into the 380s. They tell you to go scratch my nutty bar. Yeah, sometimes that's pretty much what happens. Uh, you should just give them more money like me. They love me over there. Yeah, it's so weird because I have had people send me examples where they were like, people are being eval banned that have not even gotten a payout. That's what I mean by it doesn't make sense. But I don't know. What can I do? You have to write a love letter to Apex. Yep. Right. Yeah, Michael, that's exactly what I've been seeing. And I've been telling them that, dude, you are banning people that you should not be banned. They ban you for chargebacks? Well, then you deserve it. If you do chargebacks, you deserve to get banned, YM. So I don't feel bad for you at all. If you do chargebacks with any prop firm, you're going to get banned. So that's different. You deserve it. Yeah, I mean, if you do chargebacks on any prop firms, just goodbye. You are done. They don't take that stuff lightly. All right, market. Waiting for a pullback here. It tapped the 400s. Again, if you guys remember, the 400 level was a very, very important level yesterday. We'll go in here on a pullback into the 385s here if we can get it. Even the 387s. And we get a pullback. What is a chargeback? That's if you go to your credit card, whatever credit card that you use to buy an account, you go to your credit card and you tell them that it was fraud and you charge back. And then your credit card, yeah, it's. Come on, market. Really? 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 Come on. Why did I not hold? Oh, look at my entry right here at the 352s. That feels bad. You get the bank to get your fees back. Yeah, exactly. It's a you know what kind of move. Anybody that charges back is a you know what. You're basically lying. You're saying to the bank that you'd never approve the purchase, yet we all know you literally bought the accounts. So that's a you know what kind of move. I should be able to get a chargeback from the IRS. Now that would be fun, John. I would love to get banned by the IRS. Like, nope, you can't make any more payments. It's kind of like punching a cop. It doesn't end well. No, it doesn't. Exactly. Did you know, guys? This is a true story. I mean, I think I can share. Yeah, I can share this. I'm not going to say, obviously, I don't even know who this was. But Apex had someone that literally, I'm not joking. Apex had someone that went in and they bought 20 accounts. No, they bought over 300 evals and they had over I think it was over 50 PA accounts, and in a span of like 3 months. And they got over 100,000 in payouts. And as soon as they got their 100,000 approved in payouts, they charged back all the charges. No kidding. Like, what an absolute you know what move. That is pathetic. All right, we are getting a pullback. Okay, boys. Come on, fill me. Fill me. Why? Why did I should have just hit the buy button. Come on. You seriously kidding me right now? Okay, this is cake. Just fill me, please. Don't make me mad. All right, I'm not coming lower. You're going to either fill me here. Okay, thank you. Now, watch this continue to go lower. All right, pay attention now. I just want to get back to the highs. Honestly, wouldn't mind a pullback into the 15-minute opening range. Like, if we pull back into the 375s, I will add one contract. So, let's just wait and see here. YM. Yep, you are a scammer. We found one. He's a schemer and a scammer. Sometimes I think with Apex, they feel they're getting scammed with some of the BS they pulled in a while and they just want, wait. I mean, yeah, I mean, I have seen evidence of how people are. Apex definitely gets scammed a lot, but obviously it's also not. There's somewhere there in between. There's not everyone is doing it, obviously, and sometimes it feels like that's the consensus, but it's not. But recently there was a guy that got banned and he started to make guy got banned and he started to make these posts on Twitter trying to get, basically trying to gaslight and kind of flamed out. And I got shown evidence. Obviously, I can't share it because it's confidential, but this guy was literally running a Discord signal service, and there were over 8 different accounts being copy traded through one copy trader. One copy trader, and they were all being copy traded across the different Discord servers. Yeah, it's crazy. All right, let's go. Nice pullback, nice trade. All right, we just keep going higher. Market only goes up. Well, see, YM, if it's a bank, they can dispute it. The problem is with credit card companies, some credit card companies don't even, especially American Express, which is why American Express isn't allowed. But American Express is the worst when it comes to chargebacks. And I know this from having a business in the past, and running a business and dealing with some of that stuff. American Express does not care about the business. They will just allow any consumer to charge back, and it's extremely difficult. Even if you show that it was a legitimate purchase, very difficult dealing with American Express. Terrible. All right. All the way up through the 410s. Unbelievable. She just going higher, folks. Oh. I got no evals email from Apex, but I blew my PA accounts and I don't have any emails. What do I do? Big Tick Energy. I've been asking. Basically, what I was told: send an email to the compliance department, and you basically have to send them a love letter and ask to be unbanned. Is kind of what I was told. Can I use Replicanto to copy trade TradeAway accounts with bracket orders? Yes, you can, Wanderer. With Ninja Trader. Yeah, if you use Ninja Trader and Replicanto, you can use bracket orders and copy trade. No problem. But you have to use Ninja Trader. You can't do it on TradeAway. New to props, TradeAway, Rhythmic, or Wealth Charts. Which one is better? Michael, if you're new, okay, let me ask you this. Do you have any prior trading experience, like at all? Or are you completely new to trading, like completely new? Okay, market, we're getting another pullback here. Okay, so if you do have some experience, the reason I ask about is, so if you have some experience, I mean, obviously you can use Rhythmic. If you use Rhythmic, you can connect with Ninja Trader or Quant Tower, Sierra Charts, or if you want to use a web-based platform, your TradeAway is your best option. I always recommend TradeAway if you're a little bit new. I feel like it's a little bit easier platform to learn. Ninja is kind of difficult and overwhelming to set up initially, but once you have it set up, it's really not that bad. I mean, Rhythmic is a little bit less money, not that much, especially with a 90% sale. It's kind of personal preference, to be honest. I think either one works. All right, I'm not sure what I want to do here. You know, I think we go long here at the bottom of this pullback range. I got to be quicker on the trigger here. Ah, I missed it. I missed it. All right, I'm going to take a stab here, and I'm going to do this. All right, market. Let's see. We can't. Hey, let's go. Too easy. Trade the range. Just trade the range. It's too easy. Oh, I hate when I say that. Why do I say that? I can't help myself. Now I need to stop trading for the day. Oh, man. Oh, all right. I'm scared. Why not trade my Apex accounts now, TK? I will get back on it. Right now, I'm waiting for my payout to be approved. I don't know. Right now, I'm just not in the mood. I'm trying to focus my energy on trying to pass Tradeify accounts and these My Funded Future accounts. I'm kind of trying to focus on getting these accounts passed. I don't know. Sometimes I just take a little break from trading my funded Apex accounts, especially after I kind of have a good run. I just kind of take a little bit of a step back and this is starting to get very choppy here. Starting to get choppy. And one take away from your take profit. Oh no, Jordan. No. Have I seen any Carter trading videos lately? No, I have not, Will Grimmer. I have not. Rhythmic had the lowest latency, but not beginner friendly compared to Tradeivate. Yeah, Daniel Lee, yeah. Hey, good morning, Tate. Yes, happy Friday. The 90% sale, Ralph, is ending on Tuesday at midnight. So you basically have from now until, Tuesday midnight. And the sale is reoccurring 80% off. So 90% the first month, reoccurring is 80% off, just to clarify. Also, the activation fees are still $140. Now, I'm going to just give you guys a hint or a little bit of a tip. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tip. At least this is how I'm going to do it. If I do pass, I'm going to get some 150K accounts. If I pass them, I'm going to wait to activate them until like a couple weeks. I'm just going to wait to see if they don't do a special promotion on activation fees. So if you don't need to activate them right away, I would recommend just be patient and wait. Maybe Apex will do like a special promotion for activation fees. I don't know if they will or not, but if they do, then you can wait to activate them then, and you can get the good activation fee. As you know, the activation fees are not tied in directly with when you buy your eval. The activation fees are always whatever is currently promoting is what is currently going to be active. The activation fee for the 150 is 140. All across, it's 140 lifetime fee, or it's 100. I think the Tradeivate is 105 if you want to do monthly, or 85 if you want to do Rhythmic monthly. And this thing is just continuing to rip. Did anyone notice on Apex on the 50K account, even with the 90% sale, was about 1870 this time around? I think it used to be 1670. Yeah, and Will Grimmer. So they increased their price by like 10. I think it was, yeah, they increased their price about a month ago just by a small amount, which equals to about $2 or $4 on 80% off and $2 on 90% off. I thought you had to activate with a certain period of time. No, SC Trader. No. The only thing you have to activate before your rebilling comes up. So if you don't activate before your rebilling, your eval rebilling comes up, then you will be rebilled again on the activation on the eval. So you want to activate before that. But if you pass in one day, you basically have 3.5 weeks to wait and see if they run a special promotion on activation fees. And if they do, you can take advantage of that. Wow, look at this. All right, there we go. Above the 410s, making new highs. I mean, I like this price action. We're going to buy the pullbacks. We are not going to chase the breakouts. We are just going to wait and buy the pullbacks. It's that simple. And once we have a really nice uptrend like this, I will be adding if I see if it's worth it. I wish I was trading my funded future accounts. Maybe I might need to do. I'm nervous about my funded future accounts. I'm not sure why, but I'm nervous to trade them. I do not want to blow those. Ugh. I want to pass those 5 right away. I love when I get evals that have no activation fee and I pass them the first go around. Oh, it's the best. It is the best. Right? If we get a pullback. I need to fill my water. Hey, we're back. All right, market. Give me another pullback. Give me another pullback. Oh, I did. Okay. Oh my gosh. I misclicked. I misclicked. I did not mean to. I wanted to hit buy click and I accidentally hit whatever. Do I just get out of this? I did not mean to buy right here. I wanted to wait for a pullback into the 95s. Not that much of a difference. I hate when I do that. Instead of hitting the buy click, I hit the ask. I hate when I do that. I feel like I don't know what I want to do here. Do I add one here? Do we want to take his... Oh, this is a dangerous game we're playing here. It is a dangerous game we're playing. This is where I would add. I'm doing it. All right. This is we might look back at this as a big mistake was made. So let's be careful. I'm gonna be pretty quick to just get out of this if I can. Come on, go. Don't do it. Don't be like this. Go, rip it. Come on, market. You can do it. Rip it. All right, now we let it go. Now we let her rip. All right. We made a mistake, but we got out of it. We got out of it. Hey, Sharoos. Good to see you, Sharoos. How are you doing? Good to see you. Hey, Daniel Lee. A hero is born. Hey, good morning, Eddie. How we doing? Apex is getting fast with their approvals. Less than 30 hours the last two. Hey, I'm still waiting. See, this is proof that affiliates don't get special treatment when it comes to approvals. At least of my caliber, they don't. I requested tonight. It will be 48 hours since I requested. We will patiently wait. We will be patiently waiting. Once we get approved, we're going to have a party. We're going to have a party. We're going to have some duck races. We're going to have a party in here if we get approved. I keep glancing at those accounts and I'm hoping I'll see the balance go down to like 51,000 to like 151. That would make my day. Make my day, Apex. Come on. Hit that approve button. You know you want to do it. You can do it. All right, market. Are we going to make new highs? It's kind of interesting if we don't. And we're pulling back again here. I don't see, this is where I get nervous. We failed to make new highs on this move, which isn't terrible, but it's just a little more risky. A little more risk when we don't make new highs. Just gonna wait a little bit to see, maybe we come back and test this 15-minute range. But as long as we just kind of go sideways and maintain, like if we stay above the 380s, I mean, I still think buying the dips is probably the right move. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Joom is in the building. Where do you generate your picks for your YouTube videos? There, cheers, can't wait until August 28th for 24-hour stream. Let's go, Niles. So I do most of it through Pixels. This is actually fun. It's AI generated, but it's a lot of fun. We should have some fun here. Hang on. It's called Pixels. Yes, I'll show you, Daniel. I'll show you guys. It's pretty funny. I'll show you like what it can do. I should probably use it more, but it's pretty funny. Hey, Eat What You Kill Trader. Good to see you. Just wondering if anyone has experienced Apex playing games with payouts, or have they improved? I mean, I guess define playing with payouts. I mean, if you break the rules, you probably will get denied. And I've seen people that broke the rules and got approved, but I mean, for the most part, I mean, I don't know. I guess ask the chat. I know there's a lot of people that are eval banned, basically meaning they can't buy more evals. That's right now, that's the biggest gripe that I have with Apex, is the whole eval banning. Just doesn't make any sense to me, and that's the biggest gripe I have right now with them. I know people have gotten denied payouts, but you know, for the most part, it's because rules weren't followed. So, man, just taking longs off of that EMA move seems to be working. Aren't some of the rules still up to discretion, like you said, with varying contract size? Yeah, some of that is, but honestly, I have not seen anyone get denied for inconsistent contract sizing. Almost all of the only rule that really, I feel like the only rule that is really important to follow is the 30% drawdown rule. And I mean, the consistency rule, but they've changed it to where you can't even request a payout if you're not within the consistency rules. So that's really nice. And they've definitely made improvements. Even now, if you do get denied, it at least will tell you the day that you broke the rule, which is a big plus from where they were at a couple months ago. So they've made improvements, and I wish, yeah, if it was up to me, some of those discretionary rules would be eliminated, or they would be redefined to they need to update that dashboard. Yeah, Jay Wilson, that would definitely be nice. It definitely would be nice. The 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule, like, okay, and I want to say this carefully, but I have not seen people getting denied for the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio or the contract inconsistency. I am pretty sure that those parameters are not being, like, payouts are not being denied based off of that. It is only, from what I've seen, for the most part, it's the 30% drawdown rule. And if you're not even close to breaking that rule, usually you get approved usually within a short, like, it doesn't take long at all. Man, this is just insane. Now it looks like we are going to make new highs. Just buying these dips would be it, man. Do you know of anyone getting denied for using a bot? You are allowed to use, okay, you're allowed to use a bot, Niles, if it has to be, I guess, I should clarify. I'm not 100% sure on this, but from what I understand, you can use a bot, but it has to be that you manage it. Like, you can't just run it 24/7, I guess, is what I understand. How have I got the #1 comment crown now when I have chat up like 3 times? I have no idea, Grant Thompson, how that works. I don't know. Question, do you know, let's say I go full degen, hard in the paint, and trade 3 to 5 minis. And once I get to a payout and get a payout, I switch to micros. Will they be like, no? No, that is fine, Matty Matt. So your contract consistency is evaluated for the current payout window. So if you get approved a payout, you can adjust your size for the next payout window. That is okay. Grant Thompson, use your power responsibly. Wow, look at this. Immediately pulling back. Wow. I mean, I'm getting a little nervous. I should have just, I mean, if someone's just buying every dip here, that's easy money, but guys, I used AI. Oh, this is hilarious. Look at this. This is the AI that I use. I told it to show me in a buggy driving on a busy freeway, and this is what it gave me. Ah, that's too funny. Oh, it's too funny. Oh, it's so dumb. It's hilarious to play with AI auto-generated. But honestly, they did a pretty good job with the horse. The buggy, they didn't do a really good job. The buggy should be enclosed. But what's really cool about this software is, like, now I can go in and edit this, and I can, like, type, what should I type here? Okay, I could do show a Lambo. Show then I can do show a red Lambo driving beside me, and it should do it. We'll wait and see. Sometimes it messes up, but for the most part, it's hilarious. It's hilarious. What this is pixels. So PIKZELS. PIKZELS. Oh, Matt. I know. I thought, yeah. It's too funny. Don't. Look at what it did. Oh my God. Yeah, that's not what I was looking for there, buddy. Hang on. I can do this too. Now it will only edit this. What is the program? It's PIKZELS right here. Here, I can drop a link in the chat if you guys want to try it out. It's hilarious. That's it. That was what I was looking for. Look at that. I love it. Oh, look at that. We got the Lambo on the right. What else do we want to add to this? I'm not sure why we're not trading, but this is more this. What else do we want to do? Let's show. All right, let's see if it can do it. That's a little sus. You know what? I'm trying to think. Can I get anyway? It's hilarious to play with it. But it's you have to pay using credits. which, yeah, I mean, for the most part, isn't too bad, but it's a little annoying. Oh, actually, let's make an. Oh, I got an idea. I need to show me golfing. And the thing that is really cool about this software, so you upload like 5 different angles of your face, and then it creates a like a persona, and then it uses that to AI generate you in the photos. Okay, market pulling back once again. We did take out the 420s here. And do we take another stab on this pullback again? How do you personally go about passing the 150Ks? It's a good question, Orlando. I've been actually contemplating if I get more Apex 150K evals, how am I going to pass them? Honestly, I kind of prefer to try to pass them with a news event. To be quite honest, it seems to be the easiest. But things things can go wrong. But if I don't pass using news events, the way that I do it is I go in like pretty heavy size on my first trade. On my first trade, I go in like pretty heavy size, and then I try to get like $3,000 to $4,000 in my first trade, going like 7 to 10 minis. Just go big size, get that, basically get it to like 4,000, even 4,500. And then from there, I size down to like 1 to 2 minis. And then I just kind of scout my way to the finish line. Um, that is kind of how I've had the most success. But obviously, that first trade is very important. And if you don't get a good first trade, you can easily blow the account on that first trade. So, but obviously, yeah, with 90% off, I kind of, you kind of throw volume at the problem, so to speak, unfortunately. But I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. Oh, man. The best ways to go long and short on CPI, you blow on one and fund on the other. I mean, yeah, as long as it's a clean move. As long as it's a clean move. Design knob. You buy low and sell high and never take a loss. Man, I mean, we gotta. This is another entry. We gotta take it, right? I mean, I am doing. We have to add here around this 394, 95s. We will. I don't like that. Okay, I like that. I like that. Rip it, baby. I like how that got bought up really quickly. A private trader is ultimately cheaper because there is no activation fee, but you still get more chances to full port with Apex. I mean, design up. Yeah, that's the problem. Like, the whole problem with the, you know, I mean, that's assuming you pass on the first try. That's the problem with that theory is everyone with, everyone wants to think they have 100% pass rate when trading evals, and we all know it's not true. The actual pass rate for most people is 30%. So that means you're going to fail 3 accounts on average before you pass. So if you figure in that rate, then is when, I feel that makes a difference. It makes a big difference. I have like a 25% pass rate. Yeah, I've been there, Matty Matt. I've been there. All right, market. This one, I don't know why, but this one's starting to just make me not, I'm just not too crazy about this. I'm just getting out. I don't like that. You have a high pass rate, but you don't go hard with evals. Nice, Mikey. Yeah, that's true. That can be true, Design Knob. Yeah, I agree. That definitely can be true. You once failed 10 in a row. Grant Thompson trades. Those are rookie numbers, man. I remember a time in my life, if we want to talk about absolute eval degeneracy, come talk to me. I had blisters on my finger from buying so many Apex evals in one day. That's how bad it was. 20 accounts, bought 20 evals, copy traded 20 evals. I blew them in literally 2 minutes. It was so bad that Apex's website could not keep up with how fast I was blowing the accounts. Bought more evals, blew them again. I'm not joking. I once blew 100 evals in one day. I'm not proud of it, but it happened. It was an ugly, ugly scene. There were eval deaths everywhere. Everywhere. It was ugly, man. It was ugly. You know what's really funny? I didn't pass them. I did not pass a single one. Copy traded 20 at a time and just absolutely went off the chain AWOL. I was so mad. I don't think I've been more upset in a day of trading. Why did I not hold that trade? Can someone tell me, please? What an idiot. What an idiot. Yeah, that's where the definition of degen came from. That's right, Trader's Chick. I'm not proud of it. It was an ugly scene. It was an ugly scene, man. But buddy, I was determined that I was going to pass 20 accounts that day. And the market said, no, you won't. Oh my goodness. It was so bad. It was so bad. All right, I messed up. I should have stayed in that tray. That was stupid of me. It took me 8 months of evals to get my PA's microplayer. Yeah, I mean, I learned a lesson that day. I learned a lesson that day because I think I spent almost $1,700 in one day trying to pass 20 Apex accounts, and I mean, it was just ugly. There's just no reason to do that. There is no reason. Oh, guys, you got to see this. I AI generated my Amish Open thumbnail. Look at me. Oh, that's too funny. Oh, man. I will scale it later, but so far so clean and easy. Hey, Sharoos, that's the way to do it. Trust me. Being determined to pass that day is often the issue. It is, Grant Thompson. It is. There's no doubt about it. There's a reason that Apex created one day to pass, and they kept it. Okay? If more people were passing accounts, they probably wouldn't have kept it as long, but I mean, we all know why people do it. I mean, it's no secret. We all got a little bit of degen in us. You shot your second best round of the season on Sunday. First 9 pace was 106, second 9 was 84. Hey, Matty Matt, to make you feel better, last Friday when I went golfing, I shot 102. I mean, I was so bad, it was insane. I was so bad. I honestly was embarrassed, like seriously embarrassed on how I played golf that day, and I still haven't mentally recovered. I actually need to go to the driving range today and figure out my wedges. I need to figure out, why am I chunking my wedges? My irons are decent. My irons are not the issue, but for some reason, when it comes to my wedges, like anything from 110 yards to 50 yards, I am terrible. I'm chunking it every time. I get so annoyed. Oh, I get so annoyed. Okay, market. Gotta believe in these pullbacks. We just gotta buy them. It is kind of interesting. Usually when we see this kind of move, usually we have one move that kind of sweeps the lows, like sweeps down maybe below the 390s, possibly even sweep down below the 380s before we then start to grind higher again. But right now it's just a slow grind higher. And pullback, I mean, we just got to go with it, right? All right, we just gonna wait for new highs. And the third one and so on. Orlando, my plan is not to have. Yeah, that is very good, Sharoos. Do you ever drink when you golf? No, I don't. G, I don't. Dunking wedges is moving the head down and gives poor contact. The snowman, I feel like part of the problem is, like, I think I'm not rotating my hips enough. Like, I don't know. I come down and I don't know. It just, something doesn't feel right. Like, it doesn't feel right, but I haven't been able to. You know how it is with golf? Like, with golf, if you're not swinging well, you know something doesn't feel right, but it's hard sometimes to determine what the problem is. But usually, once you get it, like, once you understand what you did wrong and you correct it, then it's just like it clicks in your brain, and it's like, "Ah, that's what I was doing." And then you can fix it and have that kind of as a swing thought, and then you're fine. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten to that part. It's we are in the figuring it out stage yet. All right, market. We doing this? We're doing the extended pullback now. Oh, snap. Okay, see now, I don't mind that little dip. As long as we stay like above the 385s, I feel like we're okay. Imagine we had a flush to 330. Don't say that, Matty Matt. Don't say that. Will be a problem. When this pulls back, it's going to be ugly. Are you guys trying to scare me? You're doing a good job. Oh dear, I'm starting to get scared here. Right here, that the 90s, 85s is where I want to add one. I will add one right here, and then we're gonna have to take our L somewhere in the I don't know, somewhere in here. Classic man, you reset account 5 times. You felt like a degen. I wouldn't enter long. It's Friday. It is Friday, but we only go long on this channel in the summer. That's a new rule. Only go long. Market only goes up, guys. It's a simple rule. Market only goes higher. And we didn't even get filled. I think we will fill the inside gap before we hit the lows. What do I know, Dabda? Hey, Dabda, trust. Dabda, you know just as much as everybody else, okay? That's the truth. With his 2 rules, I'm sure I will win this game. That's awesome, Sharoos. I love to hear that, Sharoos, to be honest. Let me look. All right, market. Hoping we would actually fill me here, but looks like I don't know. Where do I could probably just need to take my profit right there. If we get there, there is a chance that we make a move up above the 400s and then roll over. There is a chance of that happening. This is kind of where we might roll back over. If we do, that's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. Come on, man. Yeah, this is concerning now. I'm starting to not like this. Come on, market. No, you want to go higher, just do it. Boys, I don't know. Oh, boys. Shameless new highs are incoming. That's what we hope. I don't like this, though. Don't like it. Uh, all right. Trying to make a move back up. Now we're just going sideways. I'm just going to hold. I mean, I'm okay holding this. Oh, man, this is starting to. All right, here we go. Come on. Can we get above the 404s here? Got to get above the 405s. This is kind of tempting just to take my small loss here. Can we get going? Come on, market. Just go. Oh, this is... Come on, right here. Go. Come on, Mark. Just do it. Do it, please. You know you want to go higher. You know you want to go higher. Pop it. Come on, pop it right here. Do it. And it's going to be a long trade. I can feel it. I can feel it. And chopping back down. Oh man, this is not ideal. I feel like we're in for a deeper pullback the way this is going. Trying to think if it's worth it. This was a funded account. I would probably just kill this, but I think I'm gonna wait, see if we can't sweep the VWAP, maybe sweep through the VWAP, and then I'm gonna add one, and hopefully we get a nice push off the VWAP here or off the opening range high. But the downside of that is if this does not hold, we're going to have to get out, and it's going to be a pretty significant loss. The downside, we got to be willing to accept it. Okay, market. Man, this is like watching paint dry all of a sudden. I'm also trying to pass my Tradify account in this mess. Okay, good luck. Yeah, it's not great. It's not great. My risk reward is crazy. Yeah, it's always crazy. I don't care. It is what it is. Let's hope we just find support here off the VWAP maybe. I think actually it would be good if we sweep down through the 390s. Then I think we can get the move higher. Right now it's just chopping back and forth. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Can we do it? Come on, do it. Oh my goodness, we just seem like we can't. Every time we get to the 405s, we stall. Gotta go right here. You gotta go. Push it. Ribbit. Ooh, you know what might be the problem, guys? Just thought of something that I might know what's wrong. I don't know. I think I know what's wrong, guys. I think I know what's wrong. It was time. I've been patient enough. It's time to go now, boys. Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you. Camber Trades, you're right on time. Let's go. Good morning, Camber Trades. Don't go anywhere.
Slowly but surely, I'm losing my heart.
And I'm losing my heart to you.
Slowly but surely, my dreams will come true.
If I spend my lifetime with you.
Let's go. Come on, Market. Don't let me down.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you.
I love it.
Slowly
You
but
can't deny the
surely,
results.
I'm falling in love.
Hey, good morning, Saral. You're right on time.
Love with you. Slowly but surely, you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
Oh,
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you. A solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the
come on, Market.
riches
Rip
my
it. Do
pockets
it.
could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold if teardrops were
Talk about my entry being resisted.
The tears that have fallen won't buy you a thing. The heartache you caused me won't pay for a ring.
The love that I wanted would not have
Boom! Let's go, Market. Go! Go! Rip it! and Rose until we hit our target. Oh dear.
I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold if teardrops were
Come on, do it.
heartaches were gold
But teardrops aren't pennies.
and heartaches aren't gold.
Oh, this is a new song. Or no, this is not new. Never mind. Come on, Market. Just go.
Oh, what is the matter with Robin that makes her cry around here all day? I think she must be in some great misery, said Swallow to
Need to
little
crank up
Blue
our,
Jay. Have you ever heard something so lonesome?
And I actually think in this video, I think Ben's shaving got worse.
Tell me why is she singing a song as forsaken as mine? I know why the robin is crying, staring with a sob in her breast. Her poor heart is aching for someone who's taken 3 little blue eggs from her nest.
Come on, Market. Do it. Do it.
I saw him come out from the garden and
Do
climb up
it.
a tall willow tree.
Oh.
I tried, said the robin, but I couldn't stop
You
him.
can't
Just
say
look
nothing
what
about
he's
shaving to a
taken
fellow
from
Amish.
me. I know why the robin is crying, staring with a sob in her breast. Her poor
Oh, really,
heart is
Naruto?
aching
Oh,
for
man.
someone who's
Bless you,
taken
man.
3 little blue eggs from her nest.
Go. Go.
I guess he
Go.
forgot that the
Do it.
rule is to
Do it.
do as you would be
Come
done
on.
by. For in heaven
Order
above,
Bill.
always
Oh,
watching
oh, Ben and Rose. Ben and Rose
all
are
seeing
undefeated.
light.
Ben and Rose are
I know
undefeated.
why the robin is crying, staring with a sob in her breast.
You can't deny the facts. Can't deny the facts.
From her nest.
Oh,
Canceled.
you know what? We're gonna play one more song of Ben and Rose just because it works so
Lord,
well.
I don't need a mansion on a hilltop. I've learned to love a simple cottage here below. Streets of gold and walls of jasper aren't really what I'm after. Let me live out where the wildflowers grow. Oh, I've often heard and read about a city and the mansion that
Yes,
you've
Sharuz, I'm
gone
listening.
to prepare. Lord, I know it might sound funny, but I've never had much money, and I want to feel at home when I get there.
Camera trade.
Lord,
You're gonna
I
start playing
don't
Ben and
need
Rose
a
songs, aren't you?
mansion on a
You
hilltop.
can't deny it's working.
I've learned to love a simple cottage here below.
Apex new rule: no Ben and Rose trading allowed during. No. Oh, that's too funny. Wow, look at this pullback. Look, did we just sell at the top? Let's go, Ben and Rose.
I don't need a black tie celebration. A simple welcome home, my son.
Actually,
will
this
do.
Ben is a lot better
Let me
shaven in this
hear
video.
The bluebirds sing.
You guys notice
And the
that?
country church bell ringing on the day that I come running home to you.
through the meadows to the shining crystal sea. So when I wake up in the morning on the far side banks of Jordan, let the one I loved on earth stand next to me. Lord, I don't need a mansion on a hilltop. I've learned to love a simple cottage here below. Streets of gold and walls of jasper aren't really what I'm after. Let me live out where the wildflowers grow. Oh, let me live out where the wildflowers grow.
All right. Well, that segment was brought to you by Ben and Rose. Round of applause in the chat. Hit the thumbs up button. Okay, guys, you got to hit the thumbs up button for that. Ben and Rose trade. It was perfection. You got to hit the like button. Come on, you know you want it. Can you guys imagine if once Apex approves my 20K payout, we're going to play so much Ben and Rose that day. Gonna be crazy. Gonna be crazy. Oh, there she blows up through the 420s. Ay, ay, ay. Jay Willie is PW crashing out. Uh-oh. I think it's about time I go back to the BDH. I think it's time I go back to the BDH just to, I need to calm Patrick down. It's okay, Patrick. I promise it's gonna be okay. I've been holding for 420 for like 30 minutes or so. Let's go, Daniel Rosenstein. Jenna, too bad. Like, it was the song, Daniel. It was the song. We can't deny it. Oh, let's go. All right, we're halfway there. On these Tradeify accounts, we are halfway to passing. Let's I'm trying to think. Do we want to stop? And do I want to? Not really. You had me nervous playing Ben and Rose. I've been short the Russell since 1050. Yikes, Black Coffee. Yeah, that's a major conflict right there. When will you join BDH to his annual Hawaii trip? I doubt it. I doubt it. Okay, sorry, Sharuz. Sorry, Sharuz. I wanted to answer your question and I got sidetracked. Ben and Rose sidetracked me. I have a 250K PA, 11K in profit. There is possibility that I reject for payment request. Oh, so if you think that you might get denied, if you did break a rule and you think you got denied, then I would just request the 500. And that's kind of how I would do it, Sharoos, because then, I mean, if you do get denied, you just, trade the 8 more days and then you can request again. But that's what I would, that's probably what I would do if I was in your shoes, Sharoos. Did my payout get approved? Camber Trades. Nope, not yet. We're patiently waiting. I'm waiting for my affiliate status to kick in. I'm waiting to get privileges. Unfortunately, I have not seen that happen yet. We're just waiting. Patiently waiting. By the way, did everyone else have to sign up for two-factor authorization for Apex? Or was it just some of us? Because I had to set it up. Which I think is a good idea, to be honest. Camera trades. Let me look. It says, here's the current status. Yep. Here it is. Under review. That's not, that makes me nervous. Apex, they got their microscope out and they're going through this thing with a fine-tooth comb. And let's hope there were no issues. We shall wait. We shall cross our fingers and our toes. I think I'll get approved though. I really do. But we'll see. I guess we will see. I'll be upset if I pass these evals and those two that didn't activate miss out on it. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, the 2FA is a little bit annoying, but with some of the breaches that we've seen, I think it's probably a good idea. Hey, thank you, Sharoos. Same to you. Good luck. Good luck. They have a lot of traded days to review. Yeah, that is true, Black Coffee. If they're reviewing every single day, yeah, they've got a decent amount of actually, let's see. How many traded days do I have from my last payout? 35. 35 traded days since my last payout. So, they got some work cut out. I'm making them work for it. And this market just grinding higher. Crazy. Now it is 11:30 and starting to I wonder how much longer this is going to grind higher. Man, I wish I would have traded my funded future accounts. Wish I would have just copy traded my Tradeify and my funded future accounts. I wish I would have. Why didn't I? Whoa, there's a pop. Back above the 425s, up through the 430s. We are about to retest the all-time highs up here at the 440s. Buckle in, boys. Buckle up. Or maybe this is the trap for the longs. I don't know. But right now, I'm definitely glad that I'm not looking for shorts. Gee. What is going on over at the... Do I need to call Patrick? Do I need to call Patrick? No, I'm not good. I'm not stepping in that mess. No, we're not doing that. I should call him and tell him, Patrick, Get your shirt on right now. Unacceptable behavior. Oh dear. It really did week 29.25. No way. Oh my gosh, it did. It did, Matty Matt. Yeah, thank you, Camber Trades. Yeah, solid trader. Account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. Tribute to Hulk Hogan. Okay, nice. Patrick, we can see your nipples. Get your shirt on. Come on. Frozen North. Do I look like an idiot? I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. We're just having a nice peaceful moment over here. The vibes are great. We're very peaceful. There is no reason to there's no reason to disturb that. Oh dear. People are so bad. People are such trolls. Oh man. Oh. Free entertainment, if nothing else. It's free entertainment. If you mention Jay Dunn, he will stroke out. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Frozen North. Oh, sorry, I just snorted. Not on purpose. Oh man. Yeah, I love trolling people too. It is fun, but people have to it's fun to troll people, but I want them to like I don't want to troll too hard that they actually get mad. I don't want that. Just a little troll is good. Gotta learn to laugh, you know? Okay, we're getting another pullback. I mean, is it time to buy again? I guess it probably is. All right, let's not jump in too quickly here. Oh, Matty Matt, that's so bad. I can't believe you didn't get filled on that. Fastest way to a payout was full porting. Just in case you were aware. Oh. Green walking away. Hey, Vincent Ella, that's awesome. Take care. Good. Thanks for stopping by. All right, market. This is a pretty good place. Hey, don't you little goomer. My little goomer just went without me. Rude. Very rude. Hey, might get filled. Might get filled. Come on. Oh, come on. Kidding me. Just get me in, boy. Get me in, son. Now let's rip it. Thou shall now go higher. Whoops. Don't make me play Ben and Rose again, market. Don't make me do it. You know I will. You know I will. What do I think about Tory course? What? Oh, you mean Tory trades? What I think about Tory trades course? I would spend my money other way. I would spend my money somewhere else. You will learn more spending your money elsewhere, in my opinion. But hey, you know, do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Second and third VWAP deviation on my chart. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I've used the deviation levels, but I don't know. I've tried them out. Right now I like the single one, but all right, I might take it off right here, to be honest. I hate that. Hey, get back up there. Get back up there, market. Little prick. Hey, D-Versatility. Good morning. Good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. By the way, I feel I need to share this. And this is totally my wife's fault. Okay, I want to make this very clear, but my wife got me watching Big Brother. And she used to go on about Big Brother. What she's been watching it, you know, for multiple seasons. Are we doing this, market? Really? Let's not do this. Probably should have taken my profit there, and I did not. Anyway, So now I started watching this season of Big Brother. Oh my stars. Oh, I get so annoyed. I get so annoyed watching that show, but now I'm hooked. Now I'm hooked and I can't, like, I gotta keep watching now. Crazy. Yeah, camera trades. Very true. Does she watch the live feeds? I'm not sure, but I'm not in that deep yet that I'm actually watching the live feeds, but okay, market. I don't appreciate this at all. I'm seriously debating killing this. I just don't like, I don't know. Feel like my mental capital. I'm not in the mood to waste mental capital on this trade. This might be a bad idea. This is probably gonna rips and make new highs now. But we're just gonna take that small L. You love Big Brother? You guys listen to, you guys watch Big Brother? Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. I also laugh that people pay these saying that trade lines he draws. Yeah, I mean I don't know. I mean it. If we start talking about people and selling courses and all that stuff, we'll be here all day. People are gonna buy courses regardless what I say about it. So that's one thing I have noticed being on YouTube now for 2 years. Being on YouTube for 2 years and going through like a fast track trading, going through a lot of different stuff. I mean, fast track trading is a great case study about, you can point out all the red flags that there are and everything. You can try to warn people. Ultimately, people are going to do what they're going to do. And people don't tune in. I mean, and it's fine, you know, it is what it is. It is their money and it is their decision. And what I say is probably not going to change that. Same with Apex, like same with prop firms. If people want to spend their money on, you know, and buy a Talladega Nights account that they can't pay credit card for, and you know, you have a prop firm owner saying, "Hey, I promise never to rug pull your payouts again." And people are defending that, and it's like, "Oh, it's fine." Hey, it is what it is. We all make our decisions, you know? We all make our decisions, and it is what it is. FTT. That was your first serious prop, Sorrel? Oh, I'm sorry to peek at that scab again. If I was rooting for Adrian yesterday, yes, Jenna. Yes. I was really hoping for Adrian, and I'm glad Amy went home. Honestly, Jimmy can go stub his toe on a bed frame. I don't care. I'm not a fan of Jimmy. That guy's a douchebag. He needs to go. That guy was such a chicken. Why he should have put Rachel up on the block. I don't know why he didn't. He was, anyway. Guys, please don't get me started on Big Brother now, because we're just gonna keep going and it's gonna oh man. Okay, see, now I want to go long again, but I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. Oh man. Why do people watch that crap? Fighter. Okay. I'm with you. I'm with you on that. See, I used to be the guy. My wife would tell me about Big Brother, and I'm just like, I would roll my eyes, and I'd be like, "Oh, you like seriously? People watch this stuff?" And now I started watching. She started when we went to Florida. It was just me and her, and we were kind of bored in our hotel room and whatever. And I'm like, you know what? Let's watch Big Brother. Sure. And I got hooked. Man. It got me. Now I'm hooked. Now I can't unwatch it. So we got to deal with the consequences. It is what it is. uh oh man, I messed up by getting out of this trade. You know what? Man, I should probably just call it a day. You know what I should do? I should call it a day and go hit my wedge shots. I need to go practice my wedge shots. If I don't get my wedges figured out before the Amish Open, I'm going to embarrass everybody. My whole family, my church people, everyone's going to be embarrassed, possibly disowned. But man, I should have held. I'm an idiot. Should have held. wait. Uh-oh. Carolina, you got your mother-in-law hooked? Oh, dear. Wait. No, all-in trading. Definitely not. Hey, Sorrel, now you have 25 funded? That's awesome. I love to hear it. Patrick said all YouTubers who are trading the NQ are liars, and they don't trade with real accounts. What do you mean? What do you mean real accounts? I mean, these accounts are real. What do you mean? You see it, you can see it, you see it every single day. No, if I heard correctly, what Pat was saying was that most YouTubers make most of their money off of affiliates and not off of trading. That's what he said. And it's true. I mean, that's it. I don't want to say every YouTuber, I don't know, but most influencers make more money on affiliates than they do with trading. Which I don't see why that is. Like, how is that? I'm not gonna apologize for. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. That doesn't make you fake, if you ask me. The only reason or time that does make you fake is when you pretend to buy Lambos, and when you pretend to buy all these cars and everything, and you pretend like it's money from trading, and it's actually from Discord sales and affiliate sales, and you portray it that it's from trading, and that you should now buy my course because I'm so rich. Yes, that is fake. But, I mean, outside of that, that's not fake. Or I don't know what that, I guess it depends what your interpretation of fake is, but to me, I would not consider that fake. TK, buy a second house. I'll raise my hand right here. But you didn't hear me say that it was from trading. Obviously, it's partially from trading, but no, I don't rely on my income solely from trading. I don't. I never said I did either. But people have to realize, see what some people don't understand is, or at least, I mean, okay, I look at it this way. This is how I look at it. To each their own. But your affiliation, or I wouldn't even call it affiliates, but your influencer reach is a business. It is. It is a business where if you have a YouTube channel with a significant following, where you have people reaching out, asking you to promote things, XYZ, then I think you have a responsibility to your audience to be honest about, like, I always say, like, I don't want to mislead, or like, I want to believe in the product that I'm promoting. I want to be using the product that I am promoting. I think that is very important. But your reach and your influencer reach is a business, and it needs to be treated as such. So, yes, my influencer income is a separate business than what my trading income is. Like, they're two different businesses, and I treat them as such. Like, it's the same thing as like, you have to value your influencer reach, because if you don't, you're just going to be taken advantage of, and companies are going to take advantage of that in a bad way. But yeah, I mean, if it's a business that generates income, and it's like anything else. It's like if you have a business as a dentist, or for example, like, a golfer is actually a good a professional golfer is actually a really good comparison to trading, and being an influencing trader is very similar. Most golfers make more money off of their brand deals than they make off of golfing. Does that make them a fraud? No. No one then says, "Oh, you're a fraud." Like, well, no, they've created a brand, and they're good enough to where they are on the PGA Tour or whatever else that is, and they are getting paid, and then they get brand deals. Only the very top of the top, like Scotty Scheffler, probably, I don't even know this for sure, but I assume Scotty makes more money golfing than he does with his brand deals, but it's probably not that big of a difference. Or that's why I don't understand why people, but people want to have a really kind of, I don't know. As soon as people find out that people make money as an affiliate, they want to call them a scam. It's like, it makes no sense. Like, why? Now, I do think that's why it's important to be transparent, because I don't want to portray something that I'm not. That is important to me. Like, I'm going to show you the good, bad, and ugly. And then it is what it is. But we can go down that rabbit hole, but hey, whatever. But it doesn't, just because you make more money as an affiliate than you make as a trader, doesn't mean that you're fake somehow. I don't get that correlation. Doesn't make sense. Unless you're portraying that all your money is coming from trading, then yes. I think that's the big difference. Your golf and endorsement analogy is great for a trader with their trading and affiliate income. Yeah, I mean, it's exactly like that. You don't hear anybody in the golfing industry like calling out golfers, professional golfers, that they're frauds because they make more money on brand deals than they make money on golfing. Like, that's just dumb. Like, why would you say that? Because it's two separate things. It's because people want to see it's possible to make a living solely from trading, and when they aren't, people get weary. And that is, that is very, very true, which I do think it is important to, yes, like, that's where I do not like to see, when I see people only, they're only showing one side of the coin. I don't like that because it does actually look like it's way easier than it actually is. And it makes it look like they're making way much more money than what they actually are. And I think that is where it does become deceptive. And I don't like that. But what can I do? It is what it is. Those examples are income from different sources. Affiliate marketing is separate income, but from the same source, whether you actually make money trading flowing accounts or not. Right, that's true. But I mean, like, the golf analogy is the same way. They're making money from portraying their golf skills. Scotty's annual endorsements are around 20 million a year. Yeah. And he makes a lot more. His year-to-date earnings have got to be like, what is it? Let me look. I'm actually curious. Got to be more than 20 million. Currently, Scotty is leading with 19 million in earnings. So he actually doesn't have more than 20, but he very likely will by the end of the year. So 19.2 million is Scotty's year-to-date earnings. Rory McIlroy is second with 16. JJ Spawn with 10. Sepp Straka with 10. Wow, nice. The guy that's last, oh dear, Jason Duffner, current year-to-date earnings is $7,800. Yikes. Yikes. That would suck. He's a yay. Yesterday, I gave back 50% of profits and walked away. Yeah, I don't want to give back profits either. But they're all good golfers. They are, TK. That's what's crazy. Jason Duffner, if you would play alongside him, he would look insane. That's what's crazy. Need Ben and Rose for the move higher. I just saw it now, Matty Matt. Come on, give this to Matty Matt. Come on. Because most people want things for free when they don't realize that if you get something for free, you do not treat it like something you purchase. If you spend money on something, you focus more. Bent capital trading. Yeah, I do agree. Yeah. Radio hosts are the same, I would think, as they always want people to use their code when purchasing a product. Yep. I mean, honestly, any YouTube video you watch, it's the same thing. Almost, I mean, I would say 90% of people that have a YouTube channel of any significance, you always will see them run an ad. They are not relying on YouTube income as their main source of income. They will run a whatever kind of ad halfway through, and they will be promoting their own product and a code, whatever. That is how they will make 80% of their income. That is how they make their money. They don't make their money by having a YouTube channel. It's a source of reach. It's not not their primary source of income. Uh-oh, Matty Matt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. You would take $7,000 to call yourself a PGA pro? TK, I would pay $5,000 to be called a pro. So yes, I would definitely take that. I'm such a long way away from that it's not even, we shouldn't even be talking about it. It's not even relevant. All right. I think I'm gonna call it here. It's a Friday, and I need. Oh, I'm sad that I didn't trade these My Fund of Future accounts. At the same time, I don't want to do anything stupid. But man, what a nice grind higher it's been today. And I think I'm going to call it. Head into the weekend. It's Friday already. Does anyone else feel like like the week just started? Probably just feels like that for me because I was off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now already here we are. But next week, my schedule, I want to make it clear, just so Tuesday and Wednesday, I will not be streaming. I have some extracurricular activities planned the 22nd or the 29th and 30th. And then also August 1st, I will not be able to be streaming. So next week, don't even remind me. I know I'm slacking. We're slacking a little bit. I don't know what to do about it. It is what it is. Paid time off. Yes, I need to request paid time off, guys. The next 3 weeks are going to be brutal. I'm just going to say it's extracurricular activities. I won't be here and you guys will just have to like it. Anyway. I'm gonna call it a day here, folks. We'll be back on Monday. Have a great weekend. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. Stay safe. See you on Monday, and God bless.